Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef jerky in a smoker. First, select a lean cut of beef, such as top round or flank steak, and trim away all visible fat. Next, slice the beef against the grain into uniform strips, ideally about 1/4 inch thick. This consistent thickness ensures even drying and a perfect chew. Preparing your meat properly is the crucial first step for delicious jerky. Now, it's time to infuse your beef with incredible flavor. Marinate the strips for at least 6 hours, or even better, overnight, to allow the flavors to fully penetrate. While marinating, preheat your smoker to a consistent low temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Once ready, arrange the marinated beef strips on your smoker racks, making sure no pieces are overlapping for optimal airflow and even drying. The smoking process is where the magic happens. Smoke your jerky for 3 to 5 hours, regularly checking its texture. You want the jerky to be firm and pliable, bending without snapping when it's fully done. Once it reaches this perfect consistency, remove it from the smoker and allow it to cool completely. This cooling step is essential before moving on to storage. Proper storage ensures your delicious homemade jerky stays fresh. You can store it in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. For extended freshness, consider vacuum sealing or freezing your jerky, which can preserve it for several months. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your flavorful, homemade beef jerky.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.